How to contact YouTube TV customer service via phone. Now, there are many ways on reaching out customer services on YouTube TV using your mobile device. So, the very first option or the easiest method is via logging into your YouTube TV application and reaching out. The help center is just the question mark icon beside your personal profile. The other thing that you can do is to use any web browser on your mobile device and then just simply type in YouTube TV support and choose on the very first result. And then in here, you just have to follow the on-screen prompts. And then if you would like to get directly to the customer service, then go to the bottom part of this page and then simply hit on contact us. Now just simply complete this on-screen prompt so that you will be redirected to the customer service live. So that is how you contact YouTube TV customer service via phone.